When we get clear about what it is that we desire, and we are in alignment with who we are authentically as queens and kings, you're not going to settle for nonsense. Hey beautiful ones, how you doing? Good. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to Fran's Fam. On this channel, I teach you how to create and manifest your best and grandest life. I bridge the physical with the spiritual to help you do it simply. If that sounds like something you vibe with, stick around, like, subscribe, and let us know where you're from so I can shout you out. Alright, so today's video is a little bit different. Today's video is a very important message that I got from Spirit. I got this message when I was walking, but this message has been coming to me all week. And when I get downloads from Spirit, I like to sit with it, right? I like to pray about it. I like to talk to God about it. I like to know if that's something that I should just be giving to everyone or if it's for specific people. And my angels told me that this message is for the collective. And it's a very interesting message, right? And today what we're going to talk about is why you may be attracting certain situations and certain people in your life. Why you are having unevenly yoked experiences and unintentional alignments, right? Okay. Now, you know we talk a lot about intentionally living and being aligned with what it is that we desire in our life so that we can get the best results. But what Spirit was talking to me about is why some of us attract unevenly yoked relationships and experiences, and we have unmatched intentions with people that we are in partnerships or relationships with. Now, this is a lot, so I'm going to just tell you that if you are really not ready to hear the truth about a relationship you may be in, or if you are really not ready to kind of look at the inner workings of why you're in this relationship, then this video may not be for you at this time, right? You can always come back to it. It's okay, I get it. But for those of you who need to hear this, and for those of you who this resonates with, as my angels were talking to me about this, they were talking to me about the dynamics of why we keep having the same experiences over and over and over again. So, why we are attracting the same type of relationships over and over and over again. And this just doesn't pertain to relationships. It can also be about your business relationships, why you keep getting the same jobs, why you can't advance in your career, why things are not aligning for you. So I want to tell you what the message was, and then we're going to dive into the message a little bit. The message was this: when we allow ourselves to settle for things that don't feel good to us because we feel that that's the best that we can do, we are not putting our full faith and trust in the universal movement of God in our life. When we are in a situation where it does not feel aligned, when our intentions are unmatched. Let's just say you meet somebody, right? You meet somebody and you're like, oh my God, I dig them. They are so cool, blah, 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 blah. You start having a conversation with this person and you realize that your intentions about this relationship or this alignment is totally different than what their intentions are, but you keep going. At that point, your intentions are unaligned and their intentions are going to trump yours because you are just dilly-dallying on through this relationship because you think that person or that thing is cool. When we really operate in our true, authentic power, the power that has been given to us, our God-given power, we understand our worth. No matter what people tell you, no matter what you hear about manifestation and creating and the law of attraction, if you do not feel that you are worth the thing that you are asking for, intending for, wanting to create in your life, you are not going to see that thing. If that manifestation or intention includes someone else, and their intention is the dominant intention, then that is what you're going to end up with. How many times have you ended up in a relationship with someone and you're like, this is not what I wanted at all. I don't even really like this person. Or this person treats me horribly. They don't do anything that I like. They don't give me anything that I want, but you kind of are sticking around. That is because their intention is dominant. And it is pulling you into their experience because you are creating by default. You're not creating by design. You haven't been crystal clear about what you intend to do. Once you get crystal clear about the type of relationship that you want, business, personal, whatever, marriage, relationship, whenever you meet someone who is unevenly yoked with your intention, you immediately know that. And you immediately know that that thing is not for you. Especially when you have worked on your worth, knowing that I am worthy of only the best. Only good things manifest for me. Only good things come to me. I only will allow amazing experiences. We get into a place, right, when we are encountering things in our life, and we like to blame everybody else for those things. Now, y'all know, I'm going to keep it real with you. I'm going to tell you the truth. I'm going to give you what Spirit is giving me. Straight, no chaser, right? We like to blame other people for the experiences that we are having. In all reality, if you are in something that does not feel good to you and you continue to settle for that thing, you can only blame yourself because you are allowing that experience to continue. We co-create our life with the greatest co-creator that there ever has been, and that's God. When we get clear about what it is that we desire, and we are in alignment with who we are authentically as queens and kings, you're not going to settle for nonsense. You're not going to be afraid of saying, no, that doesn't align for me. Or no, that's not what I want. Or no, I'm not interested in that. You are going to own your power enough to stand in it, trusting that, okay, I know y'all have heard me. I know you know what I want. Okay, angels, I already know that I have told you. Okay, God, saints, whomever your higher source of connection is, you've already put it out there. If you trust that connection, and if you trust that move in your life, you're not going to settle. Now, here's the other part of that message. Sometimes we settle because we don't trust ourselves. That's a whole mouthful. We don't trust ourselves enough or honor ourselves enough to wait on what we know we deserve because we're operating from a place of fear. Fear-based movement is never going to get you the results that you desire. Faith-based movement is going to get you the results that you desire. When you are manifesting in fear, you are going to create things out of fear. When you're manifesting in faith, you're going to create things out of faith. If you are finding that you are attracting and manifesting, creating things that don't align, creating things that don't feel good to you, creating things in your life that don't align, what Spirit is saying is that you have to check yourself. You've got to look at your self-worth, your self-love, your clarity, your alignment, and your petitions. Your petition is your prayer. What are you saying? Your word is your wand, and there's no way around that. You guys know who Harry Potter is. I'm sure you do. You know Harry Potter has that wand. And with that wand, he can do and create anything he wants. He just moves the wand. He can, and it'll come to him. That's what your words are when you are manifesting and co-creating your life. Everything that you say goes into the fertile soil of the universe, and it grows. The reason that this message came through is because a lot of you are stuck in a place of trying to figure out why you keep having the same reoccurring things. And not only do they want you to know why, which is such an amazing thing about the angels, they also want you to know how to change that. We all have been through those places and those times that we've been in things that we have no idea how the heck we got there. So this is just a little instruction to tell you how you might have got there and how you can change it. You have the power and you deserve what you desire. All right, y'all. I will talk to you soon. Peace and blessings. Bye for now.